What would you do if your life could save an entire nation? My dear friends, have you ever wondered how courage and wisdom can change the fate of many? How can one person make a difference when danger surrounds them? Today, we will walk through the story of Esther, a young queen whose bravery and wisdom saved her people. By the end of this lesson, you will discover the answer and perhaps a lesson for your own life. Welcome, beloved learners, to this slow English Bible lesson. Sit quietly, breathe deeply, and let your heart and mind follow each word. Long ago, in the land of Persia, there was a king named Ahasuerus. He ruled a vast kingdom with power and riches. He sought a new queen and held a great contest. Among many beautiful women, a young Jewish girl named Esther was chosen. She was gentle, wise, and kind. But Esther kept a secret. She was Jewish. Her cousin and guardian, Mordecai, loved her dearly and taught her to trust God and be strong in faith. One day, a wicked man named Haman became the king's advisor. Haman hated the Jewish people and made a terrible plan to destroy them all. He convinced the king to agree, and a royal decree was issued. The people were in great danger. Mordecai went to Esther and said, "Esther, you are in the palace for such a time as this. You must go to the king and ask him to save our people." Esther was afraid. Approaching the king without being summoned could mean death. My dear friends, let me ask you gently, what would you do if your courage could save lives, but also put you in danger? Esther prayed. She fasted for 3 days, seeking God's guidance. Then she prepared herself, dressed in her royal robes, and approached the king. The king saw her and was pleased. He extended his golden scepter, sparing her life. Esther invited the king and Haman to a banquet. She did not immediately speak of the danger. She waited, observing, speaking with wisdom. On the second day, she revealed the truth. "Haman has plotted to destroy my people, my own people," she said bravely. The king became angry at Haman. Haman was punished, and the Jews were saved. The people rejoiced, and Mordecai was honored. Esther's courage and wisdom had changed history. She had risked her life to save many. Her story teaches us that sometimes we must be brave, patient, and wise to do what is right. Now, my dear friends, let us return to the question from the beginning. How can one person make a difference in the face of danger? The answer is here. Bravery guided by faith and wisdom can change the fate of many. Even when fear surrounds us, trusting God and acting with courage can bring life, hope, and justice. Thank you for listening. Remember, your voice, your courage, and your wisdom can make a difference. Please like, comment, and subscribe to continue learning English slowly through Bible stories. May God bless your heart, your mind, and your life.